Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, I am super excited to show you this California-inspired modern luxury home in Dallas, Texas. And as always, please throw me that thumbs up and subscribe button so you can aboard my America's Realtor ship. I would love to have you as part of the family. And the address to this beautiful property is 5632 Brookstown Drive in Dallas, Texas. Zip code 75230. And this is listed for $3 million, 6 beds, 6 baths, 1 fireplace, 3-car garage, and it's on 0.4 of an acre. And this is brand new construction, 2024, built by Laguna Homes. And the owner of Laguna Homes is Jason Malik. And he is one of the best builders here in DFW. He's won awards such as D Home magazine. And he's been doing this for about 30 years, y'all. And he is from Florida, born and raised in Miami. And I highly recommend that you give him a call and build your custom home with him. He does transitional, Mediterranean, modern, contemporary, or traditional. Can build pretty much whatever you want, but he is absolutely one of the best for these modern builds. Absolutely extraordinary. And let's keep on taking a stroll. Here we got the pantry. Huge pantry. Open floor plan. Custom cabinets. Built-in fridge. Mudroom. Laundry room. And we have our 3-car garage right here. And this is Dallas ISD, elementary school Nathan Adams, middle school Walker, and high school White. And this is in Melshire Estates. And if you're looking to move to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com and fill out an inquiry form. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I am about to cue the music, let y'all enjoy this beautiful tour. And as always, I will see y'all on the next one.
Just when it gets hard, you are almost earlier, climbing up the dark. Guess we're on a losing streak, but we're in good company. I feel better when you speak, 'cause you know the words to comfort me.
show me the good and I'm getting there. When I look at you, it seems so damn easy to love. Was alone, now I'm feeling so alive. Don't need to control a thing since you came into my life. I can climb a mountain, get so high. Don't need to control a thing. Feeling so alive. When I look at you, it seems I can get so high.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run